Dear friends, in this video, I would like to teach you the ninth exercise of lesson 1. The ninth exercise of lesson 1. Complétez avec les verbes être, s'appeler, parler. Complete with the verbs être, s'appeler, parler. So we need to know the translation for this verb être, to be. S'appeler, to call oneself. Parler, to speak. And you also have to know what kind of verb is this. Être, it's an important irregular verb. S'appeler, it's a reflexive verb, or some people they call it as a pronominal verb, verb pronomino. Parler, it's a regular ER verb. This verb ends with ER. It's a regular ER verb. So first of all, you should know how to do the conjugation, the present tense conjugation of a verb that ends with ER, or a reflexive verb or a pronominal verb, and for this important irregular verb. So to know the conjugation, please go and check my grammar videos, and there I have taught how to conjugate a verb that ends with ER or IR or RE in the present tense. I've also taught, there's another video where I have taught how to conjugate a reflexive verb in present tense, and I've also taught all the important irregular verbs which any beginner should know. It's all there in my grammar videos. Please go and check my YouTube channel and you'll get all these information. Now let's do this ninth exercise of lesson 1. The first sentence, vous dash comment. Now you need to choose which verb will be suitable here in this dash. So for that you need to know the translation. You dash comment. So whenever you find this word comment, you should remember that you are asking this question, what is your name? Or comment is actually how. So in French, they'll ask this question, how do you call yourself? So the verb that will be suitable in this dash is this verb s'appeler, which is a reflexive verb. So when the subject pronoun is vous, the reflexive pronoun should be again vous. And then the verb appeler, like a regular ER verb, you remove ER, you get the stem APPEL. That's what I've written in red color. And then when the subject is vous, like a regular ER verb, you can put the ending EZ. So the first vous is your subject pronoun. The second vous, which is in blue color, that is your reflexive pronoun. APPEL, which is in red color, that's your stem. And when the subject is VOUS, your ending, which is in green color, that's your actual ending. For vous, it is EZ. So analyze each and every word and ask yourself, do I know what is this one? APPEL, that is your stem. Do I know what is EZ? That is your actual ending for this subject pronoun, VOUS. And what is this VOUS, which is in blue color, doing there? That is your reflexive pronoun, because this particular verb, appeler, it has come from this infinitive form, s'appeler, which is a reflexive verb. The second one, je dash Christian. I dash Christian sounds like a name of a person. So again, the verb that we need to use is s'appeler. But when the subject is je, your reflexive pronoun will be me, but it will change to n apostrophe because the verb appeler starts with a vowel. And what will be your ending when the subject is je? Your er verb ending is e. But can you see there's something irregular? You need to double that L and then put an E. So it's for a reason I put different colors so that you will be able to identify that the blue one, N apostrophe, that is your reflexive pronoun for this subject pronoun je. And APPEL, that is your actual stem. And this black color L, that is your something irregular we need to remember here, and that is we need to double that L, and then that E, like a regular ER verb, when the subject is je, the ending is always E. So, je m'appelle Christian. My name is Christian, or the literal translation is I call myself Christian. Number 3, vous dash français, you dash French. So here we are talking about this language French, and it's not the nationality. We are talking about the language. So we need to use the verb parler. So how do you ask the question, do you speak French? So when the subject is vous, we need to know this verb parler, it's a regular ER verb. You remove ER, you get the stem PARL. And when the subject is vous, what will be your ending? It will be EZ. So did you notice I put blue color for the stem and I put red color for the ending. So PARL, how did you get that? You need to go to the infinitive form and remove ER, you get your stem. And when the subject is vous, your regular ER verb ending is EZ. And that's the reason you've got the spelling vous parlez français, you speak French. The fourth one, oui, je dash un peu français. Here in this answer, we're still talking about this language French. And you're saying, yes, I dash a little French. So again, you'll be using the verb parler. I hope you remember how to get the stem. Remove ER, you get your stem PARL. And when the subject is je, your regular ER verb ending is E. Please remember, when it is vous, the regular ER verb ending is EZ. But when it is je, the regular ER verb ending is E. So you'll get, oui, je parle un peu français. Yes, I speak a little French. The fifth one, si apostrophe dash votre ami. So here we need to know, you're asking a question, it is your friend or is that your friend? So it is that, is it. We're using the verb is. So is, actually it has come from this verb he is, she is, from this verb être. So your is will be est. So whatever you do for the subject pronoun il, it is ilest. For elest, the same thing you need to put for ce or c apostrophe. So finally you'll get c'est votre ami, it is your friend. So I hope you've understood, and if you're not really familiar with all these conjugations, present tense conjugations, please go through my grammar videos and you will learn how to conjugate all these verbs, what kind of verbs are these, everything in detail, it's all explained there. Please go through my other videos. Thank you.